is, right, we have given an integer array. We have given an integer array we have given, okay, with some properties. And its properties are, what are the properties of this array? What are the properties are there? So very first it is saying that nums dot length, let's suppose its name is nums, right? So nums dot length is equal to 2 into n, okay. Also it is saying that nums contains n plus 1 unique element, okay. So each contains unique elements also. Now exactly one element of nums is repeated. Exactly one element, right, of nums is repeated. N times. And what we need to do? Our goal is to return the element that is repeated n times. Repeated n times, that we have to return. The question that we have given here is n repeated elements in size 2n, right? And the question is saying that we have given array nums, right? We have given, and we have given some properties that we have seen, that is nums dot length is equal to 2 into n, and nums contains n plus 1 unique elements, and exactly one element of nums is created n times. So we have to return the element which is repeated n times, okay. So let's suppose we have given this array, right, nums, and here repeating element is 3, so we'll return 3. Here repeated elements is 2, 2 and 2, as we're returning 2 here, right? So we have to return that. Let's suppose if we'll see these elements, right, 5 is repeating in all the cases, so 5 is returning. So this is what we have given, guys. So let's understand very first. So very first, what we have given the LeetCode problem 961. It is saying n repeated elements in the size 2n, where we have given nums array and its property is nums dot length is equal to 2 into n we have given, and nums contains n plus 1 unique elements, and exactly one element of the nums is repeated, exactly one element, not more than 2 elements, okay. So n times it is repeating, and our goal is to return that repeated times. So do not think that there can be more than one element, okay. So let's go through the example first. Very first, we have given nums, and nums we have given is how? It's a kind of array we have given, right? Very first element is 1, 2, 3 and 3. As the question saying that, what? Question saying that exactly one element is repeated. So 1 is repeated? No. 2 is repeated? No. What is repeated? 3 is repeated 2 times. So we should return 3, and that is why output will be 3. Okay. I hope you understand till this problem, right? As the question is saying that, right? Question saying that actually we have given, right, the array that is called nums, right? So this array is a size of, we can say its size is nothing but is 2n. Okay, this is what the question is saying. But there are exactly one number repeated, yeah, repeats how many times? N times one number. So the size is 2n, right? But its size by 2, that is called n times, right? There is one element, one number is repeating. Okay, and so we can say all other numbers appears only one time. Can we say that? It means all other numbers repeats how many times? Only once. Understand? Because it's repeating how many times? One times. Now can we say that now our task is to find the repeated number, right? So here what you have to understand, there is no trick is there, it's very simple, right? So is there edge cases? No edge case. Means we should just identify the elements that repeats, correct? So and if we'll find the repeats, means half of the array, we can say half of the array size. Because if you have seen that if the given array having size is 2n, it repeats n times, means 2n by 2, it is going to become n only, right? So n times, right? So we have to just identify the elements that repeats half of the array size. If we are able to find the half of the array size that its count is repeating, it means we are good, right? So what the question is saying, that we have given nums size is 2n, there is one element that repeats n times, means half of the size. So it means all the other numbers repeats only once, only there is one element, one number that repeats n times. Our task is to find the repeated number, and this is what the question is saying, that there is no trick, no edge cases, you just need to identify the element that repeats the array size. Understand? So can I say that that if we have nums, let's suppose it is 1 2 3 and 3 we have seen. Okay, what is the array size? We'll say array dot size. So array dot size is nothing but what? 4, correct? So can I say n equal to what? 2. As simple. So one number appears 2 times, right? And other numbers appears 1 time, right? Other number appear 1 time. Can I say that? We can say that this is what we should understand. So let's count. Very first, what is the count of 1? 1 times. What is the count of 2? 1 times. What is the count of 3? Is 2 times. We found the answer, and so answer is nothing equal to 3. So like this we have to find and we have to implement. Okay, so very first what you should do, we can scan the array, right? We can scan this array, right, from left to right, we can say that, and track this scene element, and put into a map, you can say that, right? Or has map, has set. If you keep adding, right, so we will be able to find. So whenever you find the number is in the set, right, if number is already in the set, when you're tracking this element, if 3 is already, let's suppose 1 goes into the has set, then 2 is going, then 3 is going, so till that there is no repetition, so it's fine. When you come to 3, it will say okay, we already have on the scene, and you will increment the count here. Otherwise keep the count as it is 111. Whenever you reach to the n repeated characters, right, like here, you don't need to scan further, you will stop there. Okay, so this is what you need to do, guys, right? Means since there is only one elements, right, that repeats, means the first duplicate you will encounter with the answer. Okay, because all other elements appear only once, so the repeated elements appear many times, increasing chance of early detection, right? So whenever you find the duplicate number, you can say that yeah, this will be the number, so you can also do that. So this allow, if you find that this number is duplicate, let's suppose 3 is coming the very first, right, or let's suppose there is one more one is there and this 3 is not there, so you will say okay, this I'm talking about 1 1 2 2 2 3, like if this is the number, so you found that this is early detection, you will say okay, this will allow us to early detection, because you find the duplicate and you know that there is this only one duplicate element is there, right? So you don't need to scan all the elements. Are you understanding? So in the linear time itself, you will do the early exit. It's a very simple logic. So whenever you find the duplicate number, you do it. Okay, so very easy intuition it is that whenever you find the duplicate, right, you exit here itself, you stop doing the thing, duplicate checking. Okay, so how we are going to write the code? Let's go to write the code, so you can try this code onto the LeetCode. Okay, very first, let's suppose that we have given a class, and this class is nothing but a solution. Okay guys, then you will write public int, and the method is repeated and times I'll give the name. Okay, then I'll take the argument as integer array, call this name as a nums, like this. Let me clean it, doesn't looks good, like this. Can I say that? So this is what we have given, guys, the nums we have given here. As you know, this is the input argument, right? So very first, as I told you, we should write the has set. So we'll write the has set, it will take integer, so we write the integer type, then you say scene, and then what we will do, we'll say new asset. Okay, now make a for loop and iterate over the element. You say num can get from where, nums, so we'll keep checking that. Very first, check if we have scene dot contains, and then we have what, num, then what you will do, return num. Okay, then you will do scene dot add, and you return the num. Okay, then we'll close it. Once the scene is done, you will return -1, which will never reached, and then we'll close this method and this class. So very first, what we have done, guys, we know that this is the nums we have given, right? So we'll create a scene has set, right, and we'll keep adding the element if it is not contains the element. So how we'll check the not contains? Through this. If it is containing, the nums is containing, means this is the early detection thing that we will return. Okay, this is the element, you return it. Otherwise, keep adding on to the scene, you will never reach to this number, right, -1, because the elements will be there. If elements is not there, you will directly come here and you will return it. So that's all I have guys in this video, and in case if you have any doubt, you please ping me in the comment box. अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है ज़रूर आप कमेंट करें, और मैं डेफिनेटली मैं ट्राई करूँगा आंसर देने की, ठीक है। और अगर आप स्ट्रक्चर पे भी लर्निंग करनी है, न्यू ईयर आ गया है, नया क्लासेस स्टार्ट होने वाली है, तो आप ज्वाइन करें मेरे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। एंड दैट्स ऑल आई हैव इन दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। और इंक्वायरी करने के लिए आप मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर को कॉल कर सकते हैं। Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.